What's up, everyone? Michael Heath with Get Automating. Do you remember the something for nothing jingle campaign for Domino's? It was absolutely horrific commercial, 90s. It got me thinking about this whole idea around low code again.
Get Automating, enhancing humans daily.
So that's right. The idea that some people think you can just throw garbage, little effort into low code and voila, you have your automation. And that's not entirely true. However, with the Record with Copilot feature in Power Automate Desktop, robotic process automation can get pretty darn close to something for nothing. Let's check it out. All right, folks, we have launched Power Automate Desktop. It does need to be version 248 or higher. So go out, grab that version or higher, and get to work. We're going to start by clicking on Record with Copilot and click the big red Start button. All right, recorder window comes up. Click New Recording, configure your settings, pick the screen. Off you go to listen to the instructions.
Speak normally and include details about what you're doing as you are doing it. Use your mouse and move between screens or apps like you normally would when completing the process manually. Keep your recording to 5 minutes or less.
All right, so do it like you're teaching somebody. Click Record. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is launch the Contoso invoicing app. Move it off to the side and launch Excel. We're going to be launching the Contoso Coffee Shop Invoices Excel sheet. All right, we're going to come over here and click on Invoices. And now we're ready to copy from Account Main. Paste it into account, copy from contact email, paste that into contact, and copy from the amount column, and paste it into amount. We're going to save it, and then we're going to rinse and repeat and go through all the rows. We can see right away, pretty nice script that's been generated here. What I really like about this is it also adds all the documentation. We all know everybody likes to document, but it's all there for you. So we do notice that there are 2 errors down there. And, if I re-record this, sometimes I see 3 or 4. It varies depending on the prompt that you gave as instructions. But easily, we're going to be able to correct some of these errors. So you could see here, like paste a copied contact email into the contact field. So all we have to do here is double click on this. We're going to pick out a new UI element, and we're going to grab the contact right here. And that's it. We just fixed that bad boy. Save it, and we'll do the same for the amount. And we'll save it out. Okay, and so just so there's not any smoke and mirrors here, off screen, I did notice that I needed to recapture all 3 fields. I had already done the previous one, but I did need to recapture account name and contact email. And also, I noticed when I was recording, I selected save as opposed to creating a new record. Just a button in the UI there. And so I just repointed that, captured the right button so that after each new entry, we would create a new record and move on to the next. So with that being said, let's go ahead and run it and see what happens here. We know from the script here, the very first thing we're going to do is launch our Contoso invoicing app, followed by launching Excel. So Contoso invoicing app is up, launching Excel. Excel is up. We'll now switch over to the invoicing app. All right, we're going to select the right element, invoices, and now we're ready to start copying and pasting entry in there. Click on that new one, boom. Pop in the next one, lightware, off we go. So already 3 records in, pretty good. All right, wow. So low code was never anything that didn't require effort, but the barrier for entry is getting lower and lower with the use of AI. I remember even with basic screen capturing, screen scraping, it took more time than what it was worth, but that is changing. So try it out. Something for nothing. Don't call Domino's, call Power Automate.